Cody step here. Traditionally speaking, workflow automations, or even just building out automated systems inside your CRM, has been one of the most difficult things for real estate agents to accomplish. It's often leading to the best among us building them and everyone else kind of going without them. Well, in this clip, I'm going to show you exactly how we've made it fundamentally easier to do exactly this using SAM.
Whenever you look at your routines, you can now see that there are tags associated to these if you have any tags assigned. Up here at the top here, we've got a new little icon for add tags. So whenever you click on that, you can add different types of tag items. If you want to create something new in here, just like in the other tagging features that we've got, let's say I want, a birthday tag of whatever. I can click on the little plus over here to add a new tag. It'll add it to the list, and I click on save. It then adds that then to my master list. So I'm going to do one more thing here, say birthday. So if I come here to birthday reminder and I click on tag, I can say birthday, save that one, come here, tag it, say birthday. I probably ought to add a multiple option or multi, so you can tag multiples at the same time. Don't have that on there yet, but now we have them tagged however we want. Up here, we've added a new filter icon, so we can click on filter. We can then come in here and say, show me just the birthday ones, and there they are. So actually, let me take that off. It will, whenever you filter, it creates the filter piece, but then you can also search, which searches the filtered items. So it doesn't override that, which gives you a lot more power to be able to search. So just a thing here. Now this one here really is not a birthday, so I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to remove the birthday tag on that one. It just has those two, and we're good. So the other thing that you can do is say clear all filters right here, or on this button right here, and I probably need to add a little tooltip. If you long press on it, meaning click and hold down your mouse on it, it's not just a click, it's a long click, it will clear that filter.
I think you understand now that if you can describe it, you can build it using SAM. And that's the true power of creating automations that are going to help move your business forward. So I'd like to invite you to actually get inside the system for yourself and start building routines that are going to do that. All you need to do is visit sam.workflowsecrets.info and click the sign up button. This will give you 14 days of access to go and start building out all of those automated systems that you've always wanted to build. Maybe your old system just wasn't able to allow you to accomplish, or you didn't understand exactly what needed to be done. With SAM, it's going to be so easy. And it all starts by visiting sam.workflowsecrets.info and clicking the sign up button. I'll see you inside.